Hi friends, this video will show you step-by-step how to participate in the sign-up bonus and drawing. Let's get into it. First, go to https://connector.app in your browser. Next, we are going to make a free personal profile. A profile needs a name and a location and an affinity as minimums. Your locations can be anywhere you want on the map. You can even make it actively follow you or make it static in one place. We respect your privacy, so you control your location setting. An affinity is a searchable keyword based on your hobbies, goals, or values. It is the keyword that you want to base your connections on. I will put voluntarism, and crypto, and networking. Others who share these interests can find me on the map. For this promo, we need to have a Connector coin address in our profile. Let's go through the steps to add that. Hi friends, let's add Connector coin CNCTR to your Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet and scroll to the bottom of your asset list. Click Manage Crypto. On the next screen, go to the top right to click the plus sign. On the Import Crypto screen, change the network to Polygon. In the next field, paste the contract address for Connector coin. It can be found on Connector.Org. The remaining fields should auto-populate and look like this when filled in. If your screen looks like this, click the Import button. Now you should see Connector coin CNCTR in your asset list. Open it. Click the Receive button on the bottom of the screen. Now press the Copy button under the QR code. Now we are going to add your new CNCTR address to your Connector.App profile. Open your personal profile and click the Edit button on the bottom of the profile card. Now press the Wallet button and paste your CNCTR address from the clipboard. Excellent. Now save the changes to your profile. Now your readers can tip your crypto QR code on the top of all your blog posts, and your friends will see it on your profile. You can change your Connector coin addresses whenever you want by repeating this process. After setting up a personal profile and adding a Connector coin address, we need to say hello to the Connector Rewards profile. For now, it is located in Bermuda in the Atlantic Ocean. Let's open the profile card and hit the Connect button. You are now entered into the giveaway and drawing. At the end of the promo period, Connector will send rewards to all the entrants and draw a random winner for the drawing. This is one of the many promotions on Connector. Good luck in this one, and see you in the next one.